Hey everyone, it's Jay with Back in the Pocket. Hopefully you made it through the 7-day challenge and you're able to play the backbeat, both leading with your right and leading with your left, 75 BPM. Hopefully that's gone well for you. I decided I'm going to make 2 extra videos for this. The first video, what we're going to do is we're going to add a crash on beat 1, like every 2 measures or so. Most of the time in songs you would never do it that way, but what I'm trying to just get you used to is in a lot of songs, even if you don't do a lot of fills, you end up crashing here and there to emphasize stuff. That's usually when you use the crash cymbals. You're trying to emphasize something that the band's doing or the music is doing. So if you don't have a drum kit, you'll notice that I just put like a bar stool right beside me. Now if you're sitting on your sofa, you could sit there, you could hit the arm of your sofa or your chair or whatever, or you can just hit in the air. It's kind of nice to actually hit something or touch something just to kind of have that tactile response. There again, I have a bar stool. I just hit that on the one of basically every 2 bars. So like if we were counting it out, it would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, and you'll just see that. There again, same thing with the pad. I did put like a towel down. There again, I'm in an apartment, so try to keep my noise down. I put like a towel on the bar stool so that when I kind of tap it with the drumstick, it's not like me hitting wood on wood. So there again, not quite as loud. And then of course on the drum kit, I'm actually hitting the crash cymbal. So we're gonna get to it, 75 BPM. You crash basically every 2 bars and you'll see it, you'll hear it and you'll see it. So let's get to it with the right hand leading. There again, right hands 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Nothing's changed, it's just all we're changing is like every 2 bars, we're changing where we put that 1, like what we hit with it. Everything else is the same. And then we'll be back in the middle and we'll switch over to the left. Let's do it. right, hope that went well with the right hand leading and hitting the crash on 1 every 2 bars. All we're gonna do is flip it over. Same thing, left hand leading, so left hand now. You'll see I moved the bar. The bar stool will be on my left side. If you don't have drums, I'm just reaching out and touch that. There again, if you don't have anything, you can just hit the air, or you can, hit the arm of your chair, or whatever makes sense for you. Same thing with the practice pad. And of course the kit, I'm hitting the crash cymbals. All right, great job. So now you're playing the backbeat. Now you're actually throwing that emphasis on 1 every couple measures. So you'll hear that when you listen to songs that's using this beat. You'll hear that like as they are going into like the chorus of a song. A lot of times they're crashing on that 1 going into the chorus of a song, or a lot of times when the song first starts, they might be crashing on 1. So that's what you're hearing, is that crash cymbal. So I'm just kind of getting you used to like, how does that fit into your playing? And you can see that really it didn't change anything about what your playing, the rhythm you were playing. It's just basically you're hitting that 1 every 2 bars on something, on a different instrument. In this case, on the drum kit, it would be a crash. So next lesson, we're actually going to get into a fill. So we're going to add on to that crash. We're going to add 1 little fill that goes into that crash. So I'll see you next time.